David from Flower Mound has a question about attic vents.
Well, he's getting a new roof due to hail, Tom. David writes, I have 2 turbines and for ventilation and some soffits. But I know ridge vents are a way to go, he says. But does it look like, he says, he sent a picture here, does it look like I have enough ridge for a vent?
Yes, I think he has plenty. In fact, it's better than 2 turbine vents for sure.
Well, let me say this about that. The roofer that he's working with wants him to use more turbines and a power vent.
No. I'm sorry. It was going pretty good until then.
So now Tom's going to tell you how he really feels. Yeah. Go ahead.
No, that's like super redundancy for no reason. Listen, ridge vents, soffit vents, the power vents you really don't need. And, sometimes people put the solar vents on. If you need them, it's okay. They're not going to hurt you any, but power vents themselves that run off electricity, don't bother with those. And all those things do is just pull air in one and out the other. So it really doesn't do a lot of good. Let it breathe naturally from the bottom to the top. And find out what your net-free area is on your ridge vents. In other words, how many feet of ridge vent. It's going to say on the box it's a net-free area, NVA, of so much per foot. You can kind of figure out what this opening is. If you have to add an air hawk or 2 in some odd places, just to add a little bit more exhaust, that's fine. But keep it very passive and let the air slowly move from the bottom to the top.
His question in there, he says he's not sure he has enough soffits. Is there a ratio he's looking for?
Here's the number. So if you like numbers, I'm going to throw them at you. For every 150 square feet of attic floor, you want 1 square foot of opening. Remember, this is minimum. You can have more. And that 1 square foot of opening, you want 40%, say, ridge vents, which would be exhaust, and 60% soffit. So more soffit than ridge. Do all you can, and don't put all those other gadgets on your home. It's not worth it.
So 1 foot of soffit for every 150 feet, you say, of attic?
Not 100. No. For every 150 square feet of attic,
right,
1 square foot of opening.
1 square foot of opening. Okay.
60% is soffit, 40% is exhaust.
All right. Okay. I'm going to make sure that's clear.
Yeah.
We want to make sure you're always clear when you send us your questions at HomeShowRadio.com. We answer them just like these videos over here, and you subscribe to our channel, and we'll tell you when there are new ones.